In this video, we wanted to show you how you can bring this heavy looking unit, which is 110 pounds and approximately 50 kilograms, upstairs or downstairs by yourself, nice and safe. But another main thing is how you would avoid damaging staircase, walls, and of course dropping the unit. First thing you would do, you would bring it close enough to the staircase. You would position yourself on the side, and very important part is you want to make sure you free up the step where you're going to bring the unit. So you always go one step ahead, you free up the step for your unit, and then you easily pulling the unit to this step. If you're going to keep your foot there and you're going to bring the unit, now you're overlapping and you may trip, drop the unit and get your foot stuck. So very easy and simple. Nothing is blocking. You're just pulling the unit up and then shifting up and pulling the unit up again. The same thing when you go down. Step by step, you position yourself again on a side. Front, you may trip over the unit. Sideways, you have more support, and then you bring it down, then step down. I'm going to demonstrate it on a long staircase to go up and to bring it down by myself with a unit that is 50 kilograms or 110 pounds. One important note I wanted to bring to your attention. You have this gap over here between the plastic and the nosing. You want to try and keep, even if it's a small little tiny gap, as long as you still maintain that gap, because otherwise, if you're gonna turn and shift the unit too much towards the nosing and you're gonna create zero gap, you're gonna have a chance that you're gonna scratch the nosing. Let me show you how you avoid scratching the nosing and how you maintain a minimum gap that allows you to safely bring it up and down. When you bring it up, you put it on an angle and just keep an eye on how much spacing you have between the plastic and the nosing, and then just simply lift it up without scratching it. Once again, you have the gap, just maintain a small gap and safely bring it upstairs. When you bring it downstairs, it's the same thing. You position yourself on the side to have more support, not to drop the unit down your staircase. As the wheel goes around the nosing, you start bringing your hands a bit up, a bit forward to eliminate scratching it there. So essentially you're doing a move from here, slowly there, and then bending it back up. So you're going on an angle. As you're coming down, you tiny bit, pushing it forward, and then down again to avoid scratching it. I'm going to demonstrate how to bring it up and down safely without damaging the walls and not dropping the unit and avoiding scratching the curb. Now again, position yourself to the side, free up the step that you're going to bring the unit on in advance, and pull the unit up. Go one more step up, pull the unit up, up, up. You can use the handrail as your support, but it's always harder with your one hand. So pull it up, step by step, do not rush, and basically you keep on going. When you go down, do not stay straight in front of the unit as you're gonna fall down, the same thing. But now you wanna step closer to the unit. Where you're going up, you wanna step one step ahead. When you're going down, you wanna be as close to the unit as possible to have a better support. And then you just bring it step by step down, stepping down. You're keeping the unit on the angle, you're keeping yourself on the angle. As the unit goes over the side, the curb, you're putting it a bit forward to create that little gap. Nice and easy.